Hey everybody, let's get going today with just the Sun Salutations. You can use this to pair up with a slow burn, so maybe you want to turn your slow burn into more of a medium paced or blend style class. You can add these Sun Salutations on and then pop into one of these slow burn classes. Or maybe you just want to move for a little bit. Any amount of yoga counts, any amount of breath and movement counts. So maybe you have only 15 minutes to do something today. This is a great place to do it. Sometimes the Sun Salutations are the only thing I make time for, and it helps just bring me back into breath and body, get my blood pumping, get my body moving. So start at the top of the mat. You can face either way, whatever makes sense for you. Good. We do need to establish breath, so we'll take a minute to do that. Take a deep breath into your nose. Open your mouth, empty and release your exhale. Do that again, big breath in. Empty and release. Good. Zipping your lips together. Letting Ujjayi start to move through the back of the throat. The breath takes on sound. Low belly zips up. Space between the sit bones draws in, those bandhas. Low belly lock, root lock. If you need tutorials on those, pop into the alignment series. You can find what you need there. Shoulder blades on the back. Good. Bring your palms to heart center. Maybe gratitude or validation for your prioritizing of this practice this morning, even if it's only for as many minutes as you can do. Good. Activating drishti by opening the eyes, releasing your arms to your sides. Inhale, sweep the arms up overhead, gaze up. Exhale, fold forward, hinge from the hips, unlock your knees. Inhale, lengthen the spine, halfway lift, gaze forward. Exhale, plant the hands, step back, lean into lower down, chaturanga. Inhale to the up dog or cobra, shoulders back, thighs on. Exhale, flip over the toes, down dog. Always, as your reminder, you can take whatever version of chaturanga you need that makes sense for you. If you're working to grow the strength in your chaturanga or the integrity in it, check out the chaturanga video in my alignment series. But there's no shame in putting your knees down and honoring your body today. Empty your exhale, rise to your toes, walk, step, or float, top of the mat. Inhale, halfway lift, unlocked knees. Exhale, fold and fold in, bandhas engaged. Inhale, rise to standing, gaze up at your hands. Exhale, palms through heart. Release your arms, begin again. Inhale. Exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway lift, look forward. Exhale, plant the hands, step back, lower down. Inhale to the up dog or the cobra, shoulders back. Exhale, flip over those toes, down dog. Soft knees, heart forward, bandhas engaged, breath audible. Empty the exhale, rise to the toes, walk, step, float, top of the mat. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold and empty. Inhale, rise. Exhale, palms through heart. Release the arms, begin again. Inhale. Exhale, fold. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, step back, lower down. Inhale to the up dog or cobra. Exhale, flip over strong legs. We place all these measuring sticks and measures on our practice, on our lives. And even here, notice if there's like, well, this is all I can do, and I'm just, trying to do some yoga, and how we get so connected to what feels like we've decided is success, or this like shoulding, all the shoulding we do on ourselves. Empty the exhale, rise to the toes, top of the mat. Can you let this movement, this breath, inhale, rise, be enough this morning, this evening, this time, this morning here. Good, release your arms, begin again. Inhale. Exhale, fold. What does it take for you to be in the being state? Inhale, lengthen. Be with your breath. Be with this offering. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, down dog. Be with this offering to yourself. This is an offering for you. This is you taking care of you. This is an act of love. Shoulds are not a movement of love. Should is another place that we press or we allow externalized pressure on ourselves. End of the breath, rise to the toes, walk, step, float. One more A. Inhale. Halfway lift, exhale, fold. Inhale, rise. Look up at your hands, exhale, palms through heart. Release the arms. Inhale, reach up, look up. Direct your gaze, exhale, fold forward, gaze at chins. Inhale, halfway lift, look forward. Exhale, plant hands, step back, lower halfway down. Inhale to the up dog or the cobra, shoulders back. Exhale, flip over strong legs, down dog. Focus on your breath. Be here now. Be. Being is so much more of a satisfying way to live, but it is not easy in our culture. Eyes open, empty the exhale, rise to the toes, walk, step, or float if you're feeling light this morning, in this evening, I keep saying morning, this time, this moment. Inhale, rise to standing sweep up, look up at your hands. Exhale, palms through heart center. Good, chair pose, bend the knees, drop the seat, Utkatasana. Inhale, sweep the arms up, gaze up. Good, exhale, fold. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, chaturanga. Of course, making those chaturangas work for you. Inhale to up dog or cobra. Cobra means your pelvis is down. Exhale, hips back, right foot steps right away. Warrior one or crescent warrior. Heel up or heel down on that back leg. Inhale your arms up, look up. Exhale, drop your hands. Pick your foot up without swiping, lower. Inhale. Exhale, hips back, left foot stepping. Inhale, rise. Look at your hands. Exhale, drop your hands, step back. You can hear my voice changing. Inhale. Exhale. Forearms hug, hips press back, knees are soft. Heart is towards thumbs, not towards thighs. Noticing the shift in your body, noticing your energy field change, noticing your breath change, noticing my breath and voice change. Empty the exhale, top of the mat. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Bend your knees, drop your seat, squeeze your legs. Inhale, your arms up. Gaze up. Exhale, come to standing. We'll go traditionally, bend your knees, begin again. Inhale, arms rise, look up. Exhale, fold. Gaze at shins. Inhale, lengthen, halfway lift. Chaturanga Dandasana, step back. It's a 3-count breath. I forgot to mention that. Lordy, inhale, open chest and heart. Exhale, hips back, right foot stepping, ball of back foot or heel down. Inhale, your arms up, look up. Exhale, drop hands, step and lower. Inhale. Try not to shorten that up dog. Exhale, hips back, left foot right away. It's a lot. Empty the breath. Inhale. Look up at your hands, rise up. Exhale, drop, step. You can always skip the chaturangas. Inhale. Exhale, down dog. Feeling the activation in your body. You are enough. You have enough. This is enough. Feeling your edge maybe creep in, maybe wanting to quit here. Empty the exhale, top of the mat. Try to stick with yourself, even if it means backing off. Lengthen, fold. Bend the knees, drop the seat. Inhale. Chair. Come to standing. Begin again, tap the floor. Arms up, gaze up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, lengthen. Chaturanga Dandasana. Urdhva Mukha. Exhale, hips back, right foot steps, Virabhadrasana 1, warrior 1. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, left foot. Inhale. Be with your breath. Exhale. Empty the exhale, rise to the toes, walk, stop, float. Inhale. Fold. Bend the knees, 2 more. Come to standing. Start again, chair, inhale, look up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Chaturanga or go to down dog. Inhale, up dog, exhale, hips back, right foot, warrior 1. Look up, exhale, chaturanga. Otherwise known as a half vinyasa, because you move to the up dog. Exhale, down dog, left foot. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Woo! See, this is enough, especially if you're here for it. And hopefully there's a familiarity growing in the sun salutations that allows you to be more here. Down dogs are meant to be the resting place. The more we can resonate with that space of being instead of doing. Rise to the toes. 1 more. Complete this one. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, fold. Bend the knees, drop the seat, squeeze the legs. Inhale. Come to standing. Last one. Come on, you can do it. Bend the knees, drop the seat. Inhale. Look up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, lengthen. Chaturanga. Finish strong if you can, but also, of course, honor yourself. Inhale, up dog, peel open. Exhale, hips back, right foot. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale, hips back, left foot. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, down dog. Be here for these breaths. Finish it, complete it. Push yourself through those edges. You did the thing. But can you be here for the efforts and what it leads to in your body? Empty the exhale, rise to the toes, top of the mat. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold and empty. Bend the knees, drop the seat, chair. Good, come to standing. Whew. Now, personally, if you gotta run, you gotta run. But we do all that so that we can lay. So maybe you sit back and you lay down. Maybe you add on a hips and booty or some other variation. You can go to a slow burn and turn this into a blend. Put those options to click on right here if you want to. Or if this is really what you had time for, let yourself settle into Shavasana for at least a few minutes. Laying all the way down, noticing maybe the juxtaposition, I like that word, between all of that movement and then letting yourself settle into it, settling into being with yourself, your breath, reflecting on what it would be like to be in more moments instead of constantly trying to run through the list of things you need to do, you should do, you have to do, the world says you should care about. Big breath in through the nose. Open the mouth, empty the exhale. If you've got a little extra time, you can pause here. But give yourself at least a few moments to relish how capable you are of shifting your own energy field. That nothing you do is going to make you enough. It's a birthright. You were born enough. You're born worthy. And maybe we can reflect on all the spaces that doing does not actually lead us to contentment or to feelings of worthiness or even feelings of authenticity. So maybe tuning your awareness into any physical sensation in your body that you can notice. It might be the temperature difference between your body and the air around you. It might be the sound your belly is making, the feeling of the mat beneath your butt. Or watching your breath and heart rate slow down. Okay. Stay as long as you want. Maybe move into a meditation or something else. Otherwise, assuming that you're here because you squeezed in some movement, gently start to reawaken your body. Wiggle your fingers and your toes. Extend your arms long over your head. Draw your feet together. Reach and extend. Melt, soften, and empty. Hug your knees into your chest. Rock side to side. Ease over onto your right side, pausing for just a moment. And then lifting yourself up to seated. Coming together with palms at the heart. Giving yourself validation for any moment within this you could connect to the state of being you. I'm grateful you're you, you're here. I'm grateful for all the ways you light up your own life, your little corner of the world. The light that exists within me vows to honor the light that exists within you. Om Shanti. Good work, you guys. Go be your magical self. I'll see you soon.